In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal with Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to use PayPal integrated with Apple Pay and consequently your Apple Wallet. Now, I'm going to show you two methods. One of them is the one that I would recommend, and it's the one that's very convenient. It's only going to work if you have a card issued from PayPal. So as you can see in this example that I'm going to show you, you will be able to link a PayPal issued debit card to your Apple Wallet and consequently Apple Pay. Of course, this means that you will need to have access to one of these cards. I'm not going to go over too much detail about how to acquire a card from PayPal, but assuming that you have one, this is going to be the first method. If you don't have one, I'm still going to show you on a workaround to this later, but to start, if you have one of these cards, all that you have to do is open the Apple Wallet. Inside of your Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to select the option to link a debit or credit card. If you have never done this before, you will be guided through the process. So you can enter the card details manually. This is going to be the full card number, the expiration date, the security code, and possibly a cardholder's name. So you enter all of these details accordingly, and once everything has been added, you will be able to verify the card. So you will type out your name, card number, and so on, or alternatively, you can use your camera to manually or automatically input all of those details. As long as you input them, they will appear under your wallet, and now you are ready to use them whenever you proceed to check out online or in-store, so you can make contactless payments. If you don't have a card issued from PayPal, then the best course of action is going to be to transfer the money from PayPal in your balance to a bank, and then consequently from that bank into Apple Wallet. So this is the workaround in the second method. To start, choose the option to add a new bank, and then you will be able to browse through all of the options that you can link into PayPal. Just choose any of these banks. Once you have the bank linked, tap on your PayPal balance, choose the option to transfer, and then select Transfer to a Bank. So like I said, this will be a two-step process. You will be transferring any amount of balance on your PayPal account to a bank account that you have linked. And once you have transferred the money either instantly with a fee attached or at most 3 business days with no fees, you will be able to receive the money on the bank account. And after the money has been deposited into your bank account, you can go back inside of the Apple Wallet and link a card that you want to use to fuel this balance. You can also directly add money to your Apple Cash by using a bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to link PayPal to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.